Welcome to Rising Star Secondary School, where excellence begins. We offer a dynamic learning environment with experienced teachers, innovative teaching methods, including digital classrooms, well-equipped science and computer labs, and a resourceful library.
We believe in modern education with cultural values.
Beyond academics, we focus on holistic development through engaging extracurricular activities like basketball, scout, chess, table tennis, music, drama, dance, meditation, transportation.
हाम्रो विद्यालयलाई 45औं वर्ष पुर्याउने सम्पूर्ण अभिभावकज्यूहरू, शुभचिन्तकज्यूहरू तथा मेरा प्यारा विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु.
At Rising Star School and take the first step toward a brighter future. Admissions open now.